Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a RSX steering wheel. The wheel's pretty nice. I got it from the junkyard today. It's like 20 bucks. It looks a lot better than this one that's on there. Main reason I don't like the wheel because it's stock. My seat's a little better. Still need to make my seat lower, but the wheel, it spins like this, super loose. It's kind of crap. So I'll show you guys how to take one off. And I heard the RSX one just bolts right on, so we're gonna see if that's true. Alright, so I gotta get some tools. I was just at the junkyard today, and I grabbed some parts. They had half off everything out there, so I am working on a CRV. Also, it's right there. And that thing, it makes some automatic transmission noises. Basically, it sucks. And I picked up everything for the 5-speed. Transmission, this half shaft, you need that. I got the 5-1 clutch. I even got the cluster. This is the shifter box, the 5-speed ECU, pedal kit, the cables, clutch, and there's the master and the reservoir. Got everything I need, really, to make it a 5-speed. Just got to work on it. But that's another day. I'm going to show you guys how to install an RSX wheel. This is my car. It's a Civic sedan. It's pretty dope. I like it. So first, we got to undo the battery, because we have to undo an airbag. Yeah, if I can find my 10, huh? Fucking memes. What is this? Might work. There we go. This wheel should look a lot better. This car, I put everything in there myself, but I can go into that later. For now, I just got to undo this battery. Cool. Let's see. So first thing is there's some little plastic covers on here. And there's a Torx right there. That's what they call it. Won't focus, but it's a star. So we take that off. I actually have it over here. This is at the junkyard. Let's see, where's the camera? It's just a little star. This is the right one for the RSX. I don't know about for this car. Oh yeah. That works just fine. Cool. So, I mean, we could do the other side real quick. I'm just trying to do a quick video for my first video. You know, I was going to install the wheel anyway, so anyways, we gotta get those bolts out. Got an extension on this thing. This sucks. But hey, once the other wheel is on there, it's really tight. I used to have a quick release wheel on my old cars. I've had so many Hondas. This is probably my, I don't know, 8th sedan. I've had coupes, Civic coupes, the older 95 coupes, hatch. I got a Civic hatch too. It's a 99 or it's a 2000 hatchback that I'm putting back together. It needs to be repainted for sure. Someone painted it pink, which sucks. I thought it was red when I bought it. So this is all the stuff behind the wheel. We're gonna pull that off. That was this thing. Oh. Sorry about that. There's this. You kind of think you do something funny, but you just pull on it. I've messed up airbags doing that. Well, the wrong way. So then you just take that nut off right there. Maybe we save this stuff here. We're not going to be using this. This is all cruise control stuff. Just trying to get this damn thing. There you go. So you got this. It looks like 17 or 19. Oh, it's a 19. I left it at the junkyard. That's my shit. Here's a 19. 17. Got him again. There it is. Cool. So I've had this for 2-3 years. It's worked out really good. I'm just gonna close this thing off. So now it's loose. So before it's all the way off, usually there it goes. Man, I was zoomed in for a whole bunch of time. Sorry about that. So it should come right off. So my steering wheel usually sits a little to the right. Usually. So this is pretty straight. I'm gonna put the other one a little bit to the left. Really. But first, gotta take these off. One. And the other. So basically, grab this. So it was pretty straight, and I'm just gonna put this one on a little bit to the left. I'm gonna put these wires through. This is so hard to do one-handed. I've done honestly harder shit one-handed. It's a little to the left. Something a little bit more. That way, I don't have to mess with it later. You know, it'll probably. And yeah, it fits nice. The spines fit just fine. Looks fine. Cool. That's on. I'm not gonna mess with any of this stuff because I mean, this is the horn probably. Maybe the horn will work. That'd be close. I don't know really what you do. Put it on the back of this. Oh, it's just a very big piece. Oh, there's a ground right here. That might be for the horn. So when I find out, just plug it in. Cool. That sounded like it plugged right in. Put all this stuff away. It's kind of dirty, I don't really like that. But I think I'm going to clean it more later anyway. It's pretty nice. I just gotta get these screws in. Figure out where my wrench went. Always lose some tools. So it's underneath my foot, dude. You know? Happens. So yeah, there's just like that bolt hole there. So put this on there. Like that. Oh, get it lined up. I feel like I got it. Just get them hand tight for now. Then there's one on this side. So, just right there. Cross threading or tuning in fine, but so That is tight. Tighten this. I found this wrench today at the junkyard. It's kind of tight. But I have so many tools that don't matter. Damn. So I'd say this looks way better than the old wheel, for sure. First impression is that it's cool, and my shifter's still the same, so you didn't touch it, but it's cool. We'll see if the horn works. Just gotta tighten this battery up. So yeah, oops, damn, fucked up my shit. Oh man, the wipers are hitting the hood right now. I messed them up. Oh, I turned the car on too. Dumbass. God. I need it on. Oh yeah, on works. That's cool. That's the sound of Honda. Get used to it. I got the little plates for that thing. Yeah, here's one. The other's right here. Kinda cool. And why not get these little covers? Whatever. So yeah, that one's on. Anyways, you guys probably seen this stuff a million times, but I'm doing a video because I've never seen one done about this before. So yeah, that's cool. And the horn works. I'm happy. And I locked it up again, but it's way better than the old setup. It says Acura now, though, which is kind of weird. It's a Honda, but I guess it's the same. I still need to lower my seat because I gotta do like some angle still ghetto stuff I ain't really happy with. But I'm just gonna do some flat pieces. I could probably drop it like 2 inches or whatever. Yeah, I did everything myself. And I could go into it more later. But it's H22. I picked up a donor car with a bad transmission, and this is an Accord transmission. I put it in the car, wired the whole thing out of the car, and I just installed it, plugged it in, and started right up. Had no issues. Plan to do a turbo setup sometime, but just gotta get some money. But that's it. Steering wheel's in. We'll do some first impression driving stuff later, maybe in another video. But I like sedans because I don't build sedans. You know, if you like the video, you can like, comment, subscribe. I'll post some more stuff. Alright, peace.